Hello, this is Mrs. Smith. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the charges, the electrical charge of the atom, since that's also been one of our lowest points. I think some of you are getting confused thinking that neutrons are negative since they both start with an N. So if I can clear up that misconception, hopefully that'll clear up everything. But I'm going to start off with pen. P-E-N, protons, electrons, neutrons. And look, when I write P, you kind of go across, you see a little bitty plus sign there. Protons are positive. For the electron, that little part on the E looks like a negative sign to me. So we're going to say electrons are negative. Hopefully that helps you remember that. Then neutrons, their charge is 0. They don't have a charge. And look, it looks like no charge right there. You all do great, fantastic on the location of the subatomic particles. You know that protons and neutrons are in the nucleus, and you've proven to me, because the average is almost 100%, that electrons are in the electron cloud there. So let's get the charge of the nucleus. So this is the nucleus. Protons are in there, they're positive. Neutrons are in there, they don't have a charge, so they don't affect anything. So the positive takes over. The charge of the nucleus is positive. Okay, now electrons are in the electron cloud. They're the only things in there. So since electrons are negative, that means the electron cloud is negative. So we got that. To go a little bit deeper, let's get the charge of the entire atom here. Nucleus positive, electron cloud negative. But on this whole atom, there's one proton. One proton. To get the charge, neutrons don't matter because they don't have a charge. So I'm not going to even worry about them. Electrons are negative. There's 2 electrons. So I'm going to add a -2, or we can just say -2 like that. So there's more negative things than positive things. Oops. That means there's a negative charge on that atom. It would end up being a -1. It's called an ion. But for our purposes in 8th grade, we have 8. You know that atomic number is protons. Protons equals electrons whenever we're looking at the periodic table. We're going to assume that all of these are neutral atoms. So this has 1 proton. That means this is hydrogen. So to make this atom of hydrogen neutral, we're going to take one of those electrons away. So APE, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Here you go, atomic number is 1. We know atomic number in protons is the same thing. So atomic number 1, protons 1, electrons 1. That's a neutral atom of hydrogen. Hope that helps you with the charges for your next quiz. Thanks.